This boy claims he once lived on Mars. What he said about the Earth left scientists stunned. This is the strange story of Boriska Kiprianovich, a boy from Russia who claimed he once lived on Mars. Boriska was born on January 11, 1996, in Volgograd, Russia. His mother, Nadezhda, who worked as a doctor, believed from the beginning that her son was unusual. She said his birth was very easy and quick. What surprised her even more was how fast he developed as a baby. When he was only 2 weeks old, he could already hold his head up by himself. As he grew, Boriska continued to show signs of being different from other children. According to his mother, he started speaking clearly when he was just a few months old. He rarely cried and was almost always healthy. By the time he was 1.5 years old, he had already learned how to read, write, and draw. When Boriska drew pictures of people, he often added a strange round shape floating near them. Some people later believed he was trying to draw what he called auras around people. At the age of 2, he started kindergarten and quickly amazed his teachers. They were shocked that such a young child could write so well and remember so many things. As Boriska learned more words, he began saying unusual things. He talked about places that did not exist on Earth. He spoke about galaxies, planets, and alien civilizations. He showed a strong interest in space and seemed to know a lot about it. As he grew older, Boriska became more quiet and distant. He eventually claimed that he had lived a previous life on Mars. He said he was part of an ancient civilization that once existed there. According to him, after thousands of years of war, most of the Martian race was destroyed. He said some Martians still live underground on Mars and breathe carbon dioxide. Boriska also claimed that Martians were about 7 feet tall and stopped aging after the age of 35. He said they had advanced technology and could travel through space and time in special round spacecraft. He explained that they observed Earth using triangular aircraft. He described Martian spaceships as very complex and able to travel across the universe. He also spoke about a connection between Mars and ancient Egypt. Boriska claimed that the Great Sphinx in Egypt hides important secrets. He said there is a hidden mechanism behind the Sphinx's ear that, if opened, could change life on Earth. Many people were skeptical of his claims. However, in 2017, scientists discovered a mysterious empty space inside the Great Pyramid of Giza during a scan, which led some to wonder about hidden chambers in ancient structures. Because of Boriska's unusual knowledge, researchers studied him. They agreed that he was very intelligent. He was also shy and different from other children. Some experts were surprised by how much he seemed to know about space for someone so young. Boriska warned that Earth could face the same destruction as Mars if humans continue fighting and harming the planet. He said he was not the only one like this and claimed there were other indigo children sent to Earth to warn humanity. As he grew older, Boriska became locally famous. In recent years, people say he and his mother moved to a rural area in Russia and lived quietly. Some people believe his story, while others think it was just a child's imagination.